The Jabra Evolve2 65 Flex is a professional headset designed with a focus on the needs of today's hybrid work environment. Its thoughtful design combines modern aesthetics with practical features, including a discreet retractable boom arm and a 2.5 cm wide hinged headband, enhancing its portability. This headset features leatherette, poo leather, cushioned earpads and a padded headband. The padding is concentrated on the bottom side of the headband, while the top side is also covered with poo leather and features the Jabra engraving. Despite not having the thickest padding, the clamping force and earpad cushioning strike a comfortable balance, preventing discomfort from excessive pressure on the ears. The dome-shaped earpads, measuring 7 cm in height and 6 cm in width, do not have openings. Incorporating PC, ABS plastics and stainless steel strategically, the Evolve2 65 Flex ensures durability and longevity while maintaining a lightweight design at just 137 grams. Unlike traditional yoke AAC designs, this headset adopts a unique configuration where the AAC is directly connected to the headband stem, allowing it to pivot without the need for a yoke. While this design reduces the headset's footprint, it limits the ear cup's tilt range for up-down movement. However, the ear cups can rotate flat up to 90 degrees in one direction. The headband adjustment system is made of plastic with a stainless steel band for reinforcement. Unlike a traditional notched ratchet-style headband, the Evolve2 65 Flex utilizes a friction-based silent adjustment mechanism, providing secure positioning. A sturdy folding hinge with a satisfying click allows for easy inward folding of the ear cups. The headset measures 11 cm in height, 23 cm in length, and 15 cm in width, with a weight of just 136 grams. On board the AAC are 4 plastic physical side buttons that offer subtle yet tactile feedback. These buttons control various functions, including volume adjustment, play, pause, power, Bluetooth pairing, ANC, hear-through, track skipping, voice assistant activation, and mute. The Jabra mobile app provides expanded button control options and access to settings like EQ adjustments, Find My Earbuds, preset sound profiles, ambient sound settings, side tone adjustments, and call equalizer settings. The desktop app, Jabra Direct, offers additional settings not available on the mobile app, such as hearing protection and boom arm answer call for call answering. On the AAC you'll also find a USB-C port and a MS Teams control button on the faceplate. The UC variant of the headset does not include the MS Teams control button. A busy light LED indicator on the AAC signals when you require uninterrupted focus. The right AAC houses a discrete boom arm microphone, which swivels down and up into the AAC when not in use, eliminating the need for unplugging. The compact boom arm measures 5 cm in length and automatically mutes the microphone when retracted. The Evolve2 65 Flex supports Qi wireless charging and offers a charging stand as an optional accessory. The stand supports fast wireless charging, completing a full charge in just 4 hours, while cable charging is faster at 2 hours. At 100% volume using the SBC codec, the headset provides approximately 21 hours of battery life with ANC on and 32 hours with ANC off for music playback. For calls, you can expect around 15 hours of battery life with ANC on and 20 hours with ANC off. The compact charging stand measures 8.5 cm in diameter, 1 cm in thickness, and weighs 70 grams. It is primarily constructed of smooth plastic with foam padding around the bottom base for stability. The Evolve2 65 Flex excels in audio quality, driven by 28mm drivers that deliver dynamic bass and clear treble extension. The soundstage is detailed, and you can customize the sound signature to your preferences. The microphone offers natural and clear audio output, effectively suppressing background and wind noise. However, the hybrid active noise cancellation (ANC) feature is not as strong due to the on-ear design. On the bright side, the hear-through, transparency mode, works effectively, allowing external sounds to come through naturally and clearly. The Evolve2 65 Flex comes in two variants: UC certified and Microsoft Teams, MS, optimized. The MS Teams variant offers certification, remote meeting control, enhanced connectivity, and support from both Jabra and Microsoft. In summary, the Jabra Evolve2 65 Flex combines a professional design with comfort, customization, and strong audio performance, making it a versatile choice for the modern professional in the hybrid work environment.
Então,